Okay, guys, I'm 9 minutes off the Parkway in just towards Wares Valley off Walton's Creek Road. This is the cabin right here. Okay, it's in a quaint little area. This is a resort cabin area here, and this is the pond. And here is the house or the cabin. So it's 1,000 square foot. I've already been inside. We have a little have a little fire pit outside here. Then the hot tub's on the outside there. So this is what you're looking at from the front yard. And I'll go up on top from the front porch. It's an older cabin. Cleaner hasn't been. But there's the pond. Just there. There's a little cabin right next to it. And there it is, the hot tub. So it steps down to it. The hot tub. And there's a cabin right next door there. Okay. This outside, this is a screened-in porch. And there's a rocking chairs there. And there's another little, as you can see, a little sitting area down there at the barbecue. So it's a little cabin resort area. It's pretty cool. Walking inside. Here's the cabin. So it's got a nice high ceiling coming in. There's there. You got stairs that are leading up to the upstairs here. Right up to the upstairs. Here's the kitchen. Granite countertop. See appliances. Has a little dishwasher. And little cabinets and stuff there. Looking back the other way. Okay, this room here. Washer dryer in the kitchen. And here we have, here's a big master bedroom. Here's the bedroom there. And the bathroom. There's a big shower. Looks like the cleaner hasn't been, so. That's it. There's your toilet. And inside here is just a owner's closet with the hot water unit. And then this is a little timber cabinet there. Oh, it's just very tastefully done. I mean, it's definitely looks like a cabin. Big king size bed. There's a room. You got TV over inside the room. And here is the closet. It's a big closet. All right, so Here's looking from the side. Okay, so you can see that with your bathroom there, and here's another closet just here. And this is coming out of the bedroom. This is just a little pantry. Little pantry has slide out drawers, which is pretty cool. And then it has things stowed inside there. And I already showed you the washer and dryer. Okay, here's the fireplace. It's gas log. The TV and stuff up on top. And then this goes out to the screened-in porch. And there's a hot tub out there. Just looking back across, there's an outdoor fridge. There we go. And then looking back the other way, it says it's a cabinet. Is there a TV in there? No, just a owner's cabinet. Huh. Okay. And then this is looking back the other way. All right, that's a screened-in porch. And then this door is off its track. It's a little bit of maintenance that needs to be done in here. Because it's an older cabin. And going upstairs, here's the stairs going up. And first off, this is looking down. And that's across, that's out looking out that bay window at the top to the other cabin across there. And coming up the stairs, going inside, this is a teepee. And here is bunk beds. So looking from here, okay, let's go inside and check out the bathrooms. Here's the bathroom. This is me. And here is the bathtub. Again, you got a timber ceiling up on top. Light bulb out. Got a hand shower thing there. I'm looking back the other way. I mean, that is the room. Set of drawers. And there's a TV. There's a fan with lights. And that's it. So going through and turning out all the lights. I mean, this is, it's an older cabin, but it rents well. It's in a good location. It looks like at one time there was some water damage right in there, though. But that looks like it's not cold, so should be right. And it looks like it came all the way up through there. So that water came down and ended up in this spot here. So we want to take and check and make sure that was been fixed. Because you can look up across there and it looks like water all up along there. So we want to make sure that's all been fixed up. Because that
That was definitely at one time and hopefully not now a leak. So, yeah. Yeah, that definitely was at one time. So we want to have that checked out. Besides that, it's a tidy cabin. It's an older cabin. It would definitely rent well. Location's in a good location. It does require some maintenance. It's at like 8-9 minutes off the Parkway and Pigeon Forge, where Wares Valley Road exits at. Just come down to Walden's Creek, so it's like I said, nice area. It's all, I mean, it's an older cabin in a good area. It will rent very well. Other than that, that's it. Any questions, let me know.